We are trying to find the derivative of y is equal to x times by ln x. Okay, so this is where we use the product rule because first of all, it looks kind of complicated, right? And we see that there's one function. Let's give it a name. Let's call it f, and that is equal to x. And we've got another function g, and I'll put that over here on the right-hand side, and that is equal to ln x. All right, let's always draw a table to make sure that we don't make a mistake. So f prime is equal to 1. Okay, and if you're new to this whole differentiation thing, the shortcut is you grab the power, so x is to the power of 1, and you put it down the front there and you minus by 0. Oh, sorry, you minus by 1. And so anything to the power of 0 is 1, and so you get like a 1 times by a 1, and that's all equal to 1. All right. The next thing, g prime, is this one is just something you have to remember, and that is just going to be 1 divided by x. Now, if you had a 2 there, then that 2 would come out, but for now, it's just equal to 1 divided by x. If you look on your formula sheet, you'll see this thing called the product rule, okay? And we can say that when we differentiate dy dx, okay? Maybe I'll do it a little bit easier with ticks because it's just a bit easier here. So y tick is equal to, and just write out f and g plus f and g. Give a tick to the f, give a tick to the g there. And then we just substitute them in. So I'm going to color everything to make it really easy here. So this replaces the f. This color here replaces this one. This color here in yellow replaces this guy. This color here in green replaces this g here. Okay, so let's go through and substitute everything in. So the first one is 1 times by g, which is ln of x. Okay, plus f, which is x, times by 1 on x. Now we can just neaten this up a little bit. It doesn't ask us to simplify, so we don't need to, but let's just make it look better. Right? And then finally, if we really want to, we can go to the next step of saying ln x plus 1. So hopefully that makes sense. We've got plenty of other exam questions like this on the website. So they're more likely to be in your exams and tests and some of the textbook questions you're currently doing now. So go ahead and have a look at them. And if you still need help, reach out to us because we do offer tutoring services in online or in person or in groups. So go ahead and reach out and we would be happy to help.